Hey everybody, this is Jake with TrendSpider, and today we are going to do a video on the Amazon chart, short-term versus long-term, starting with the daily candle here. What we can see on the daily candle is this previous area of support is now going to be the next area of resistance above after we had a hard bounce off this support area here. Before we do test this area above, there is the SMA 20 above before that, which could act as resistance. So what we have here is an alert if the price does get anywhere in this purple area, and we have it set for if the 10-minute candle closes within this area, that's when we will be alerted. So hard to say if we will make it up there into next week, especially with midterm elections. You know, there could be some volatility there, especially with this huge gap below. There is this gap from around 1530. So if that does try to fill below, that would be something to watch. On the longer term time frame, we actually are looking decent here with a huge kind of doji setup right above the EMA 50. So we pretty much closed right where we opened at last week, and eventually after a huge breakdown, this did finally bounce back up through the EMA and closed above it. So for that reason, I'm thinking that may have been the technical bottom, especially based on how this is looking on the oversold level. If we look back, every time we've been in this area on the percent range, notice here, 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 and now once again here, there have always been relatively huge bounces afterwards. So the relative strength is very low here. We have not seen it this low since 2016. So notice as well, the last time the RSI was this low was when the price bounced off the EMA 50, just like it did this week. So that's something to keep in mind. If we did break down through the EMA 50, the next area to watch would be this area below around 1400, and that goes all the way back to 2013, which really was previous resistance, and we did break through it, and now it would be acting as support if the price did break down once again. That's all we have for Amazon, everyone. Thanks so much for listening in, and happy trading into next week.